Yes, Doug.
Hi, sir. Can you just elaborate on what the tech clubs are and something on CAMHI?
Oh, tech clubs are generally a lot of fun. They orient you towards certain specific domains that are upcoming and popular, and it's going to be booming in the future. And about CAMI, hey, being a part of that club and having been involved in the hackathons and other guest lectures being conducted in CAMI, I'm pretty sure CAMI gives you a variety of technical orientation. It's completely student run and a lot of fun activities like workshops, guest lectures, especially a lot of mentoring for nationwide hackathons like SIH and TechGM.
Much right to all. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all for this special gathering, especially CAM Technical Club Inaugural Function. So I am Dr. S. Venuchan, currently working in the Department of ECE. I am the faculty coordinator for CAMI Club. So on behalf of CAMI Club, first I want to say a special congratulations to newcomers who are elected by various entry process. So now I would like to say some few points about CAMI Club. Why we need this club, and what are the advantages when you are come and join with this club. So first of all, in entire world now we are going to talk about machine learning, deep transfer learning, human computer interaction system. Why? From my point of view, these are all not a technology. These are all act as a bridge that connect computer or machine with human intelligence, and you are going to get export knowledge and we are trying to solve a lot of real-time problems. I think CAM is the right platform to explore all this technology in one platform. We are going to learn much more information, especially in human computer interaction system. I may feel CAM is the right platform how the human and machine can work together in meaningful and smarter way. I hope all are eagerly waiting to start your journey with Camp Club. All the best.
Hi, I welcome all the CAMI members. CAMI is a place where you can learn while doing and do while learning. There are a lot of areas in the CAMI to explore. Prepare yourself to delve into it and feast on it. Congrats and all the very best.
Since you're a part of CAMHI, can you just elaborate on outcomes that students can expect after joining this camp?
Yeah, so the students as such, you can see that this present world is fully based on skill-based opportunities. So once you join the CAMI club, you will get a hands-on experience which will help you to enrich your skills, both the real-time sensor-based skills as well as your coding skills. And this will help you how to network with your peers and how to get in touch with the industry professionals. Both of them are very much required to bridge the gap between the industry and academia, and this is going to help you as well in getting good internships, which in turn will get you a good job opportunities. So do join CAMI Club, which will help you to develop your skill set.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello students. CAMI provides with exposures to various internships and competitions which will help in building your resume. Furthermore, they provide you with various opportunities to publish papers and also take you an IB to enrich your knowledge. Congratulations on choosing CAMI. All the best.
Dear students, congratulations on being a part of this incredible community. Your passion and dedication are truly commendable. This club is your platform to explore, learn, and innovate. By actively involving yourself in various events, you will not only grow your skills but also build lasting connections. Stay curious, dive into challenges, and make the most of this opportunity. We are excited to see all the amazing things you will achieve. All the very best.
Hi, very good morning. Hi, guys. I hope you know where I am right now. Yeah, this is the flag post, but I'm on my way to the most happening place in this campus. Let's head there. Come. This is the place I was talking about. Okay, Mukund, you can show them around. Guys, this place has seen a lot of events in the last 4 years. I've been part of many. We've had 3 week of events like 24-hour hackathon where we stay overnight. There are teams from outside which come in, and it's very, very competitive at the same time. And yeah, it's real fun to really work on an engineering problem, create a solution in 24 hours with
like 3 reviews, one at the midnight. It's an experience by itself. There's also been a lot of technical talks which happens here, and there's a lot of interaction between seniors and juniors. These are like games where seniors, juniors come together, talk, share ideas, engineering concepts. Really become very clear about many technical terms. Just come around. These are very amazing spaces where you can sit, relax, speak. Yeah. Then you become amazing engineers. Thanks to our chancellor for giving such an amazing space for our team. At this point, I would like to share one key message. I'm a very close friend of Dr. Manoj, who was instrumental in building this club. We did our PhD together, and we always really worked with two things in mind. Even if a person does not have knowledge, it's perfectly fine for us. But he must have two qualities. First quality is sincerity. The second quality is working hard work. If each one of you had these qualities, sincerity and hard work, I'm sure this is the club where you will learn amazing skills which will be very, very required for the outside world. So I wish you all the very best. Rock and yes, CAMHI.